Hi guys, Allingtonmonkey here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my bedroom and in a minute I'm going to be outside going to play football. Look at my nice class. And what I'm quite excited about, if you've ever heard of Farming Simulator 19, they don't have class in it for some reason. Or class, whatever you call it. And all of a sudden they have an update that in like the 22nd of October, I think, they're releasing class vehicles on the, what's it called? The Platinum Edition, I think. Yeah, so I might be getting that, maybe. And yeah, so look. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's the best Christmas present in the world? A broken drum. You just can't beat it.
What? Alright, that's quite a bad... I don't even get that joke very much. The only thing I get it... The only thing that is, like, funny about it is, like, nothing. It's not funny. At all. So I'm going to meet you guys downstairs. And we're back. So, yeah, now we're in the garden. Just going to play a bit of football. So, yeah, there's the football. There's the goal. Hunchback. Hello, chickie. Chicken. Hello. Yeah, that's our chickens. So, in the comments below, comment which one is your favourite football out of these two footballs. My favourite is personally the green one. But the green one's absolutely rock solid. That's the only downside. Got my nice new shoes. My new shoes. The thing that I'm good at is free kicks, but the thing that I'm absolutely terrible at is, guess what? Probably things that some people would find quite easy, but I find it actually quite hard. Look, the camera's set up, so hi down there. So we have the football. This is the thing that I'm quite good at. I'm not the best, I'm quite bad with my left foot actually. I'm good at free kicks. So look. This is, I'd say this is probably like the hardest football I think I'll ever have. It's like literally a rock. See, look, I'm terrible at kicking that ball. It's just these aren't really my football shoes. I'm just gonna dry the ball. Because the ball's too wet to do tricks. Rainbow. Ow. Never done that before. Oh my god, I wondered what that was then. I thought there was some sort of green spider. Actually this, but it was in the bush, so. Left foot! Whoa, that's pretty good for left. Look, I'm actually alright at football. I'm not really the best. Yeah, my sister's just over there.
Yeah.
Do you want to be in my video?
No.
Well, if any.
Hey, well, you naughty bird. I missed that.
Ow! And And the camera just fell. Ow.
Better not tell Dave that.
Ow, God. I think you saw that, guys. So, yeah, ow, my leg.
Come here, let me stop it and watch it again.
No.
You can start another video. Give me a phone.
Yep, so we're back from that incident. Like, what happened was I tried to do a rainbow flick, but, like, my foot slipped on the ball. I slipped over. Oh, my God, my leg is absolutely killing me. Ow. I think that really did hurt. That's probably the funniest thing I think I'll ever do in one of my YouTube videos. Except if you have watched my Twister Madness video. I think you'll know how funny. And actually after the Twister Madness video, I actually was bruised like absolutely everywhere. So this time I'm actually going to try and do a rainbow flick without me doing some sort of epic fail. Terrible. Don't hit the camera. Now we're using the green one. This one's good. This one's quite hard to rainbow flick. Look how hard it is. Off the wall. I'm going to try and do a wall shot, and then into that, then Rabona. God, the weather just suddenly turned very dark and gloomy now. So this is going to be the long ball. As much as it's not very long. Damn it. I don't hit the post very often. The thing that I hit the most is the crossbar, because actually I'm like 4'8", and this is probably about 4 foot-ish. And like when you're doing like top bin shots, it actually like really easy to hit the crossbar. Like I feel like I'm gonna hit it right here. Like you get very close, and that was just like a normal shot. Well, if you watch my football trick shot video, or freestyling, whatever it's called, you'll know that it's super easy to hit the crossbar, and it's super easy to miss. Yeah, I'm terrible at keep-ups. I'm just going to try with a different football, just because that one's so hard to do freestyling with, because it's rock solid. Or it's not some like proper freestyling like you see on YouTube, like double around the world and all that stuff. Hit the post again. Like I think this is this is one of the balls that's like really easy to do trick shots and shots with, because those ones are literally a rock, and this one is very like squishy. Oh yeah, one time before I recorded one of my first football trick shots, the ball came over. I stubbed my toe on the side of the what's it called, like the vegetable patch, because there's little like pillars, which I'll show you. Look, these things, those pillars. The ball was on there. And yeah, and I really hurt my toe, like I stubbed it like mad. Whoa, 10, I didn't see that, I don't really know what you call it. It's a 10p but it's French money, but I don't really know what it's called. I know it's called euros, but I don't know if it's called a euro coin or if it's called like something else, like some sort of coin or something. It's got a name. Don't hit the camera. Oh good, it didn't hit the camera. I think I'm going to take 2 penalties, 2 free kicks, and then I think I might end the video here. Yep, there's my sister again. So yeah, this is going to be the first free kick. I'm going to take...
Even it can't be that hard to kick a ball into a goal. There's no one in there.
No, but still.
No, but it is easy.
I know, but I'm doing like up top bins and everything. Get out the way.
I'm not in it.
Crossbar. Really easy.
I'm not in it.
I don't really care. Hello.
ASMR.
What?
Nothing.
What did you say?
I said ASMR.
What does that mean?
I don't really know how to explain it.
No, what does it mean?
No, it's just the thing where you talk really like quietly. I don't really know. It's weird. I don't know why people like it. Oh no, my socks.
Oh well, you live. So now I'm going to take 2 penalties.
So hi guys, yeah, Allingtonmonkey here.
Oh my god, give me the camera back.
Allingtonmonkey.
So
No, let me just do it.
what do you mean?
Oh, I can't zoom in on the front camera.
Oh no, just
Just
give
me
me the camera.
Oh, look
Oh my
at
god,
me.
you stopped
Yeah,
it.
you can start it and put it together, can't
Oh
you?
yeah. Yeah, I just took the camera off my sister there. Yep, so Puppy's in it. And now I'm going to take 2 penalties. Recess.
Little chiddler.
Now there's a big obstruction in the way of the camera.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Now I'm going to at least try to take 2 penalties.
Yes, even nobody cares about your penalties.
Sorry.
Ah, little Maple. Babes, even if it's video. Poor you. Come here. Come here. Where's your turkey? Or is it a chicken or a turkey?
I think it's like a chicken or something. Puppies get all the views, don't they?
She's little Mabel. Oh, just give me kisses, you stinky. You stinky.
It's a football. That's gone over.
Oh, just a little noise. What's that for? What's gone over?
The football.
Mm.
Don't hit the camera.
Whoa, calm down.
So
You hit me.
I think I'm going to end the video off here. So
I have more subscribers than you, and I've only had it for like less than a week.
yeah, so subscribe. Tap the
To me.
yeah, to my sister. Her YouTube channel is called Freya Richards.
FREYARICHARARDS. I don't know how to spell it.
Yeah, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Allingtonmonkey. And
Oh, maybe you stick in
oh my god, Mabel! Mabel was sniffing the camera, and then she knocked it. And yeah, so subscribe to mine. Tap the notification bell to never miss some of this content, and hit the like button so you won't miss. And like hit the bell so you don't miss any of this puppiness. He's your puppy. Peace out, puppy. Press peace.